Anxiety is likely to affect individuals between childhood and middle age.
It's Kyra Coates. It's the next
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about anxiety, the symptoms, the whole details about anxiety and how to cope with it, how to treat it, and how to deal with it. Like basically how to deal with anxiety. And so basically why I'm making this video is because somebody asked me to tell you guys more about anxiety the other time when I was on my live video on Instagram. Firstly, I'll give you guys the details about what anxiety is, like the meaning, the symptoms, the everything. So I went on the internet to search details about anxiety so I can give you guys the full details, everything you need to know about anxiety and all. So let's get straight into today's video. There's something known as GAD, that's generalized anxiety disorder. So people with GAD, they have rest disorder. They can't think well. They're thinking of multiple things. They're worried about a lot of things at a time. Multiple things at a time. So people with GAD always expecting disorder. They're always expecting something bad. So if you have this feeling, you're probably anxious. Individuals with GAD find it very difficult to control their worries. The moment they try to worry less, but they can't just help it but to worry about something. If you worry about something every time, that means this is like a symptoms of GAD, that's generalized anxiety disorder. Anxiety is likely to affect individuals between childhood and middle age. They might have problems with dealing with little things, like the littlest tasks they can't carry it out because they're anxious. If you have any of these symptoms, my dear, you have GAD, that's generalized anxiety disorder. So you need help, you need to seek for help, and you can help yourself with like the few points I'm about to give you, few tips I'm about to give you. But firstly, I'm going to drop the major symptoms. So the symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder is having problems sleeping, feeling nervous, increase in heart rate, loss of appetite, like losing interest in basically everything you find funny or you find your fun in. That's a rhyme. You find funny and you find your fun in. Mad. But then let's just concentrate on if you are nervous, if you can't sleep well, if you lose interest in everything you used to do before, if your heart rate increase, you probably have the GAD, that's generalized anxiety disorder. So you need to take care of these things because it can affect your mental. This is happening to your mental health, but it can damage it if you don't take care of yourself. If you don't find solution to your problem, it might get deeper than you can think, and that can lead to depression and other bad mental issues. So I'm going to give you guys the tips on how to cope with anxiety or how to let it go. The first step of dealing with anxiety is accepting that you are anxious. If you keep lying to yourself that you are fine, you can't be fine, because you have to admit that something is wrong with you before you can find a solution. So the first step of dealing with anxiety is accepting that you are anxious. Another point is reducing your caffeine intake and alcohol intake, because taking alcohol or too much caffeine can increase heart rate, can increase anything that is wrong with you. So as to avoid panic attack, you need to reduce alcohol. If you take alcohol, reduce it or don't take it at all throughout this phase of your life. Another point is eat well balanced food. Do not skip any meal. Do not. And make it healthy, please. Don't just eat junks and feel like you're not skipping any meals to help yourself. You need to eat healthy foods. So the most important one, get enough sleep. get enough sleep. Please and please, if you feel this way, if you've listened to my previous point about the symptoms of anxiety, you know you need enough sleep to reduce your worries. So please don't stay up late. Don't do all those staying up late and chatting with anybody you're chatting with can wait. Another point is do your best. Don't aim for perfection. Nothing can be very, very perfect like as you can imagine it in your head. So just try your best and stop looking at your past. Just move on with whatever is going on with you. Just move on, make peace with yourself. Another point is be proud of yourself. Don't have low self-esteem. Pick yourself up. I know a lot of you all might be going through a lot, but then be proud of yourself, because if it's not for you and your strength, you can't get to where you are right now. Accept that you cannot control everything. It is not really as bad as you think. It is not really as bad as you imagine it in your head. Just keep calm and don't just pressure yourself unnecessarily. Just move. Another point is exercising daily. Like, you can use that to take your time, exercise, be healthy, be fit. Just exercise daily. Another point is maintaining positive attitude. Don't make everything be on your attitude. Like, don't make everything affect your attitude. Be of good attitude, because it's nobody's fault. And don't put everything you feel out on other people. Don't pass aggression. Like me, I don't like passing aggression on me. Please, I don't. If you have your problem, treat your problem alone. But then, you have problems, so you don't need to make other people feel bad about themselves because you feel bad. So instead of you to feel bad, just pick yourself up. If you are trying to give other people attitude, just speak to yourself like, yo, it's nobody's problem, it's nobody's fault. Another point is getting involved. Like, pick up something you know that you enjoyed, maybe a new thing. You can start playing games, you can watch movies, you can do a lot of things. If you like makeup, do makeup. As a girl, you can play dress up with your friends. You can just do some fun things. If you like to go out, just go out and all. If you prefer doing that, because you need something doing to not think about bad things. So please get involved in things and don't just stay. I do. Another point is talk to somebody. Explain how you feel. If you don't talk to somebody, nobody will know how you feel. So you need to talk to people. You need to let them understand how you feel. Don't keep to yourself. I advise. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and do what is necessary. So thank you for watching. I'm always here to help. If you need anything, tell me down below in the comment section what you need and how I can help you. Thank you. Bye.
It's Kyra Cuts. It's the next production.